for a glove that protects against impact, the M-PACT from Mechanix. Here are the features that make the Mechanix M-PACT so popular. A good, secure fit that's adjustable for comfort, and these will fit like a glove, because they come in 5 different sizes to protect hands from impact, as well as cuts and abrasion with a seamless 0.8mm synthetic leather palm, reinforced with hard-wearing Armatex for grip, and 2mm of D30 impact and vibration dissipating padding in the palm heel. There's also a reinforced thumb guard to reduce wear and rubbing, and the thumb and index finger have extra grip and protection without compromising your comfort, movement and feel. So you can even use M-PACT with a touchscreen. But this is why millions choose M-PACT. Knuckle and impact protection to EN388 impact performance that just feels better, because the protection is articulated with reduced bulk that also makes it lighter and breathable, so you can work in them for longer. On top of that, they're even machine washable and come in stacks of different colour options. There's an M-PACT glove for all kinds of different outdoor and industrial specialisms for more extreme hand protection. But if M-PACT isn't for you, there will be a Mechanix glove that is. Find them all at tj-fieldsports.co.uk.